Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Maytag washer wouldn't start wash cycle. Let's dive in. The first issue may be the power supply issue. To resolve this, ensure the washer is plugged into the working electrical outlet. Test the outlet with another device, check the circuit breaker and reset it if necessary. The second issue may be the control lock activated. To resolve this, look for a control lock indicator light. Press and hold the lock or start button for 3 to 5 seconds to deactivate. Refer to the user manual if necessary. The third issue may be the door not closing. To resolve this, ensure the door or lid is fully closed and latched. Open the closed lid firmly, listening for a click sound. Check for any obstructions like clothing or debris. Test the switch continuity with the multimeter if available. The next issue may be the start button not working. To resolve this, press the start button to ensure it's responsive. If the button feels stuck, gently tap around it to dislodge any debris. If unresponsive, inspect for internal faults. The next issue may be the washer setting issue. To resolve this, ensure a wash cycle is selected. Check if the delay start feature is active and cancel it if necessary. Make sure all settings are appropriate for starting the washer. The next issue may be reset washer. Unplug the washer from the power outlet. Wait for at least 1 minute. Plug it back in and attempt to start the cycle again. The next issue may be the control board issue. To resolve this, disconnect the washer from power, remove the control panel cover and visually inspect the control board for signs of damage, like burnt components or loose wires. Reconnect any loose wires securely. The next issue may be the timer malfunction. To resolve this, check if the timer is advancing properly during the voice cycle. If the timer seems stuck, test it for continuity using a multimeter. Replace the timer if faulty. The next issue may be the drive motor issue. If all other components are working, inspect the motor. Listen for any unusual noises during an attempt to start. Test the motor using a multimeter or ensure it's functioning correctly. The next issues may be other internal faults. To resolve this, contact Maytag customer support for further guidance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.